Hi, I'm Trevor. I'm an intern here at CEI, and today we're at Freetown Farm. Trees are just everywhere around us, and some of the Freetown Farm might not know as much about trees, and it's very important for them to know which trees are which, to apply that in their own lives as well. Well, here in the woodlands of Maryland on the East Coast, there's plenty of trees to go around, and there's plenty of biodiversity. You have deciduous trees, evergreen trees, tulip poplars, oaks, maples, all of those, and it's important to have all of them in the same ecosystem. And here at Freetown Farm, we're trying to achieve that. With existing woodlands in the back, along with a garden and trees throughout, it can really give back to the community more than just a field of crops.